Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Fairdesk exchange platform. We'll be covering some of its updates, announcements, and different features that have recently come out, so stay tuned to the end of the video to get all the juicy details. But before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for information and education purposes only. Now let's hop into it. So here is the Fairdesk website, and just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And if you're new to Fairdesk or this is your first time checking it out or looking to use it, it's basically a crypto exchange trading platform where you can trade a daily volume of cryptocurrencies. As you can see, here are all the different cryptocurrencies you can select. This is Bitcoin, of course, the chart volume, how the price is fluctuating on the daily, and then over here you can open up a trade, seeing the price amount in USDT to the amount in BTC. Of course, you can open long or open short, and all the details about the account right here, as well as closing a trade once you are done with it. So for example, if we want to just put a little trade of 0.002 BTC and then we decide to open it long, right here the order is submitted, then the trade has been open currently, and then you can go about seeing it and monitoring it and then closing it once you feel like it, you have made the profits and want the results you achieved. So one of the main promotions that they have going on right now is the deposit carnival. So over here you can see you can win up to or get up to $5,000 deposited if you in between the timings of June 20th to July 21st, so roughly about a month or so. Currently we are on day 7, and it's open for all users, and it's a limited time offer of getting up to $5,000. So you can join now right here, and this is kind of how it works. So the task is basically just deposit and transfer. During the event, you can win up to $5,000 bonus for depositing and transferring funds to your perpetual trading account. So deposit and transfer to USDT perpetual trading account to receive the maximum bonus of $5,000. And you can see the deposit, the net deposit, which is 100 USDT equivalent, and the transfer to perpetual trading account is also the transfer is 100 USDT equivalent right here. And you can go about it like the join now we just saw above here and go through these steps. And as you can see, this is how the bonus breakdown will work. So $600, 12,000 U, $900, 20,000 U, $1,600, 40,000 U, and then so on up to the $5,000, which is 160,000 U. So great stuff overall, great opportunity. If you are looking for that bonus reward, this is very, very simple to, get in on and get that bonus reward. So as you can see, accumulated deposit and bonus, the USDT net deposit and transfer from 100 to 12,000, a bonus reward of 5%, 12,000 to 20,000, 3.75%, and then so on and so forth. As for the event timeline down here, we can see the deposit and transfer is from June 20th to July 5th right here. And then in terms of the reward calculation, it is July 5th to July 20th, and then the distribution will actually take place from July 20th to July 21st in one day exactly. So here are the exact rules and requirements. If you are interested into diving deeper and checking the rules and requirements exactly, you can take a look at all these different details listed out. Very useful stuff if you are interested in this little promo that they got going on, and there's some more FAQs to find out more. But overall, great feature, great promotion that Fairdesk is doing currently. Just an easy way to get up to $5,000 just like that. So awesome stuff. That is a new feature that you should all really take part in. Another really interesting announcement that has come up recently with Fairdesk. So this is their about section, just showing you who they are, what their things are that come about in terms of the process of introducing this platform and maintaining this platform. So if we take a look at their key licenses and certificates right here, as we can see, they both have the US and the Canadian MSB license, which is the Money Services Business Certificate and License. And regarding that, they actually recently partnered up with Armor Security, and here's a tweet that they put out. So recently, the cryptocurrency and derivatives exchange Fairdesk has successfully passed the penetration test of the Armor Security team, effectively improving the security level and operational security of the exchange, and then Fairdesk Global right here. So really cool to see that they partnered up in terms of doing higher security measures, really, and this just adds some more reassurance to the whole security aspect of the Fairdesk exchange platform, which a lot of their community is really excited about and just brings a lot of reassurance overall. Another great feature to note on the Fairdesk platform is that trading on the Fairdesk exchange can actually allow you to also trade their FTT token and actually mine their FTT token, which is their Fairdesk token. Some advantages of the FTT include that users who hold FTT can take advantage of the multiple benefits and bonuses that the Fairdesk platform offers to them. So for example, the trading fee discount, which FTT holders can save up to 50% on all perpetual tradings and withdrawal as qualified in the VIP system. And then the FTT transfer, users can transfer FTT to bonus. Bonus can be used to open positions and deduct 60% of trading fees and losses. The trading profits from the bonus can be withdrawn. Transfer rate is 1 FTT, which is equal to 1.5 bonus. And also, now that they have all the certificates and licenses they need, they will be soon listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And after that, they'll actually get ICO about FTT token, meaning that whoever gets more FTT token will actually be able to get more profit with the platform itself. And they're also going to be implementing the spot trading function very soon for their platform. So overall, some great new features and announcements for the Fairdesk platform. Don't forget about their Deposit Carnival event that is coming up on July 21st, so make sure to go check that out. And just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there as well. And if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of any questions you might have had about this project, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space to help you out on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.